Hi guys, welcome to this fun new video. I'm really excited about this one because in this video I'm going to see how much I can crochet in 12 hours. Well, it's a little bit complicated because I planned to actually film 12 hours today, but I wanted to start at 10 a.m. and then end at 12 at midnight, but it's almost noon now. Because I woke up at 9 a.m. which is actually kind of impressive for me because I wanted to get ready for the video, but then I saw that the video I uploaded yesterday only got 11 views and it made me really angry because I put a lot of effort in that vlog and it's definitely one of my better vlogs, and then it gets almost no reach. So I was really annoyed about that and I was so angry I just went back to bed and I said I'm going to split up the 12 hours into 2 days. But okay, enough rambling. I know I'm rambling. I want to finish up a few pieces because I actually hate the thought of them not being finished. I have a few unfinished projects. I want to start with my flower pillow. This is one petal. I have 2 flower pillows that still need to be finished. I'm going to start with that. I'll also time my hours on my phone if that's possible. So first I'm going to have lunch so that I have enough energy to conquer this day. And then I'm going to start with my with my flower pillows. And I have a few other projects that I really want to finish, but I'll see if it's possible because a few have a lot of work to be done. So I'll see if it's all possible to be done in 12 hours. So let's get started. I'm gonna start my stopwatch. Let's go! I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm 1 hour in and this is all I have. I was actually expecting it to go a bit faster. It is a 6mm hook though, so it goes pretty fast to what I'm used to because my last 2 projects I've been doing with a 3mm hook. And also I have just noticed that I'm wearing my heavy petal t-shirt. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. And I'm making a petal! Yay! Yeah, when this petal is finished, I'll definitely have lunch. I know I said I already was going to have lunch, but I wasn't hungry enough and now I'm getting really hungry. So I'm going to finish off this petal and then have some toast. So let's keep going. So guys, I think this one petal took me 1.5 hours to make. I hope there was only one I had to make for this colorway because I have another colorway and I still have 2 other projects that I want to finish and 1 other project I want to start and finish. That's like my secret mental goal, but I'll see how far I can get. Okay, I'm going to eat now. Here are all the petals and things I need to make my flower pillows. And I was actually wrong, I still need to make 2 for the pink colorway, so that will be another 3 hours that I'll be working on petals. Which is kind of annoying because I know the other 2 projects will also take a lot of time for me to crochet. But let's just get started on the 2 other petals and then I will construct everything and I'll have 2 pillows. And then these are one of the first projects that I ever did, like a few months ago. So I'll be so happy when they are finally finished and not on my to-do list anymore. Guys, that's 10 minutes faster than my last petal. Let's take a cookie break and then do the last petal, and then I'll probably go for a walk or something because I've been sitting like this for almost 3 hours now. Is it obvious that I don't want to change my tripod? I'm doing a cookie break. I made these cookies in my last vlog, so check out my last vlog if you have time after this video. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm actually at the 5-hour mark already, but I did finish the pillows. I just expected them to be done after like 3 hours or so because we're almost halfway already. And this is my first project that is done. I am very happy that it's done though. Here they are. Yes. Oh, and now you can see how big the canvas painting is that I did. Love them a lot. And the next project I will do, but I'll probably do it after my break because Evert is almost home from work. So we're going to take a walk, do a little at-home workout and eat dinner. I have no idea how long that will take. But the next project I want to tackle is... Maybe you recognize this because I already showed this in a previous crochet video. But I have made this and I was working on the back. I'm guessing this is one shape of the back and I still need to do the other shape, and I'm thinking of maybe also doing straps, and then I have to do some kind of cord in the back to tie it up. So I want to finish that piece so then I can finally also wear that top, because it has been laying around here for a few months, maybe 3 or 4 months. But I really want to finish it, so that's the next project I will be doing after my little break. We just went for a long walk and now I'm going to get dressed to do a little workout and eat dinner. Luckily I already made dinner yesterday, so there are just leftovers. I am now working on these little holes that I just crocheted on the edge to put the ribbon through. The ribbon I still have to make as well, but these are the little holes. Now I have to do the same on the other side. So I hope you don't hear Evert too much, but I just wanted to show you the result. It's maybe a bit too wide. It could be laced up a bit more maybe. But I really like the results. It's really cute and such a statement piece. So yeah, I'm now at 6 hours and 40 minutes and I'm so happy I finally finished this.
Therapy dupe! Oh my god, a therapy dupe!
By the way, the strap on the heart top, I had 2 comments of people saying the straps are too thin, so I'll probably make them wider in the future, but I'm just so tired and kind of burnt out from working so much. So I'll leave the straps like that for now. And I felt kind of angry because I was like, damn, I worked for 12 hours to finish all these projects and apparently one project isn't finished yet, but I'll fix it in the future, just not anytime soon because I feel so tired of all the crocheting. Now I have to do the last item or second to last item. I don't know if there will be enough time for the last item because those are the gloves, but I don't know if I'll finish in time with the next project, and that is... So you may or may not know that I've already been working on this for 60 hours approximately. This is the top part, but I want to add little bows on the straps at the front. This is the matching cardigan. Well, it won't be a cardigan because there are no sleeves because I'm so tired of this project. I also think I will remove this heart because I added this by myself, but I just think it looks a bit messy, so I'll probably remove it. But the main thing I still have to do is the bottom ribbing, and then it will be done. Oh, I still have to add the buttons, but I'm going to be so happy when this project is done. This is the next thing I'll be working on, just the bottom ribbing and then the bottom ribbing and then some other details. I'm going to work on it for about 1.5 more hours today, and then I'm going to continue on another day. Very excited. This is everything I still need to do when it comes to the ribbing, so you'll see how much time I put into this. Oh my god, we did the 8 hours for this day. I don't know what happened because I started at 12 in the noon and now I'm ending at almost 12 midnight, so I don't know what happened for the remaining 4 hours because I didn't do that much. The only thing I really did was eat, go for a walk and did a small workout, so I don't know, what did I do for 4 hours? I actually have no idea. That's so unfair because I feel like I have been working for 12 hours, but I have done 8 hours today, so I will do the remaining 4 hours maybe tomorrow. This is all I have to do for the ribbing. I think maybe like this. I did it in the last hour and a half. But now I'm going to go to sleep. I just did the dishes, laundry, vacuuming everything, and then I mopped the floor. Now I only have to clean up all our glass, go to the grocery store, stuff like that. But I'll probably film this evening. But I don't know if I'll talk a lot because Erik is streaming, but I'll try to film the end of the challenge. Let's go put this in a container. Yay. Guys, I have finished up the cardigan part, or like, I don't know what it's called without any sleeves. Is it still a cardigan? I don't know. But I still have to add the buttons here. And I also want to maybe add some ribbon details also on the top. And I think I'll work on the ribbons now. But first maybe weave in the ends a bit. And we're at 9 hours and 30 minutes now. Which is great because then I probably have some more time to do like the final project that I want to do. Which are fingerless gloves. But I'll first finish off this project. Guys, I did it! So the last project I'm working on, I figured you can't see anything because Mona is black, but this is everything I did in about 1 hour and 45 minutes. That's quite decent. It will probably take me about 3 hours to finish up one glove. So let's do the reveal tomorrow. I'll probably continue working on this glove, by the way, but I stopped here for like the 12-hour mark. Guys, I finished up this two-piece set and it's super cute. It's a bit short, but you know, I didn't want to spend any more time on it, to be honest. Look how cute it is! I love it so much. So what I did yesterday was I did half of the bottom ribbing, which was still quite a lot. And then I added the buttons here, and I also added these little bows on the top. And then I did this glove till about here. So I did this part. I already finished one of the gloves yesterday evening, so now I still have to do the other one and then give them to my friend. Did I already mention what I did on this top? So I did like 3 rows on one of the back panels. I did the eyelets, or I don't know how to call it, then this ribbon, and then the ribbon on the front. That was everything I did for this top until it was finished. Oh, and I attached the back panels to the front panels. And then I also did finish up the 2 flower pillows, and that was everything I did in 12 hours. I'm so happy with everything I did, and now I can finally check them off my to-do list. Finally, because I've been working on this project for such a long time already. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please show me by liking, commenting and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And if you're interested, you can also check out my other videos as well. They are mostly illustration, crafty and crochet content. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day or night. Bye bye!